From New York, Huzur, Mirza Ghulam Rabbi Sahab asked this question. He says, Huzur, for a long time, for many decades, you're working for Jamaat in different capacities. His question is, how Huzur spares some time for his family and children?
Well, I have enough time in between, particularly at the lunches and dinners. That is my time which I spend with the family. And apart from that, if they want anything, they can come and talk to me. But that is all which I have. In fact, my lunches and dinner are a time of relaxation for me. And all my children are around me and we talk of this and that.